My name is Vikas and I'm a senior design engineer, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about Revolve Command in SolidWorks. So let's see how it's work. So go to File, New, Part, okay. So Revolve Command is here in the Feature tab. So it shows like revolve a sketch or sketched counter around an axis to create a solid feature. So for Revolve Command we need one axis and one sketch. So let's start. So select the front plane, go to sketch, okay, select a line, center line, and this line is used for axis of rotation for the sketch. Select this corner rectangle, draw it like this, change the unit, okay, edit, give a dimension to this sketch, 50 mm, 100, okay, make it coincidence, okay. Now go to feature, select the revolve command, okay. As you can see, it is revolved around the center of the axis, and you can see here like there are multiple options like direction 1, direction 2 and thin feature. So we will learn one by one. So basically here there is a direction 1 option. So when we change the angle, let's see what happens. So as you can see, it is like decreased by 90 degree, okay. Again change it to 180. As you can see here, it is decreased again, and it is the half of 360 now. So let's move to the another option, which is direction 2. Select this. So here we can see there is also an option of angle, but in different direction. Here you can see when there is a 10 degree angle, it is coming from this point to this. So when we change it to 90, it will accommodate this area, as you can see, okay. So let's move to thin feature command. Select this option, okay. So as you can see, it is hollow inside, so it is just like a cell command in SolidWorks. So we can also change the thickness from here. As you can see, it's changed. So this command, thin feature, is used to make a hollow revolve command, okay. So now it's look like this when we choose direction 1, direction 2 and thin option to the revolve command. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.